We are going to start the stress management session. So she will be participating with me in this stress management because all the models, actors, vloggers, like they have a unique kind of stress, the celebrity stress. So Sam, what would you like to say about the celebrity stress and how you manage it? How do you cope with it?
Okay. It's a good question, and the foremost thing which actually, make me stress is to how to fit, how to look, absolutely stunning 24/7. So for this, I do fasting, and I always prefer homemade food, and I prefer not to eat outside. I like eating fruits, dry fruits, and a lot of yoga. I'm doing yoga for last 15 years. Since
Everybody clap for her.
every day I spend 1 hour in morning, and then walk for 1 hour in evening, and I drink a lot of water, and I love traveling. I meet people, good people like him, and one thing which I want to add, that if you are stressed, if you have a lot of tension in your life, the best thing you can do, you can talk to the person whom you really feel comfortable. Share your things and find a solution for that problem. Rather than, talking about that problem again and again, just focus, just find a solution and stop that thing.
Today we will discuss how we cope stress, and I'll show you few slides and then we can have her opinion, your opinion, and I'll ask question and she can also ask question to the audience. Prestigious organization for doctors and second year student committing suicide. So Sam, what would you like to say about this?
I feel so bad, when I hear such kind of news, and ये बहुत negative impact डालती है society के ऊपर, क्योंकि लोग स्ट्रेस से सोल्यूशन ही निकालते हैं, वो भागते हैं, इमेच्योर लोग होते हैं, वो इस तरह के स्टेप उठाते हैं, rather than एक easy step ढूंढना कि हाँ चलो मैं ये कर लेता हूँ, मैं तो निकल गया, मैं ड्रग्स कर लेता हूँ, मैं तो निकल गया। एक आप उस इंसान से बात करें, लाइक आप स्टूडेंट्स हो, अगर आप स्ट्रेस में, आप अपने टीचर से बात करो, अपने फ्रेंड से बात करो, पेरेंट्स से बात करो। आई नो पेरेंट्स से बात करने में थोड़ी हिचकिचाहट होती है, आई नो दैट, बट आप उनसे बात कर सकते हो, आपसे थोड़ा एज में बड़े हो, सो
डॉक्टर से भी कर सकते हैं।
डॉक्टर से भी कर सकते हैं, बुक योर अपॉइंटमेंट एंड मीट योर डॉक्टर, ओके।
Can you guess what could be the cause?
मुझे जो
This happened in Valentine's week.
The major cause behind this is, lack of information. They don't know how to solve their problems. And मैं ये मानती हूँ कि लोगों को अवेयरनेस नहीं है इस चीज़ की, कि चाहे ये प्रोसेस थोड़ा टाइम लेता है, स्ट्रेस से निकलने में टाइम लगता है, बट समहाउ हम बाहर आ सकते हैं, जितना मुश्किल नहीं होता। कई लोग ज़्यादा खाने लग जाते हैं, उनको ये हेल्थ इश्यूज आ जाते हैं, हार्ट की प्रॉब्लम, लंग्स की प्रॉब्लम, तो एक्सरसाइज करो, उससे स्ट्रेस दूर होता है, डांसिंग करो, मेक फ्रेंड्स, do such things, yeah.
So everybody clap for her, and I think she deserves the topic. तो सबसे ज़्यादा जो most difficult thing is that we can't identify easily that who is the person who is going to commit suicide, because it is just a split of a second decision that a person takes such a drastic step, because those who know the person, they cannot imagine that this person could have taken this drastic step. This is because what's going on inside our mind, they don't share with other people. So today in this stress management session, I want that everybody should realize that it is very important to share your stress with people, not with people whom you can't trust, because they may try to exploit you for that, but you have to share your thoughts with somebody whom you can trust and who can keep your problems confidential. Here you can see that most of the youngsters, in our country and across the globe, they are having stress. So anybody can tell me what is the percentage of youngsters who is having some mental issue? 75?
ये गूगल से चेक किया है.
Maybe 75 is a bit too high. I think most of the studies they have shown 20 to 30% of the youngsters they are having severe stress. So little amount of stress everybody has. So today we'll tell you what is stress, what is good stress, what is bad stress, because all the stress is not bad. So can you tell me any place where there is no stress?
Can be any place where the person feels good, satisfied. सबके लिए मतलब अलग अलग हो सकता है. एक मतलब ओल्ड इंसान के लिए वो मंदिर भी हो सकता है, किसी के लिए वो अपना घर, किसी के लिए वो अपना कमरा हो सकता है, किसी के लिए वो फोन पे बात करते हुए रूम हो सकता है.
सबके लिए अलग अलग प्लेस हो सकती है, लेकिन मैं ये मानता हूँ कि देयर इज ओनली वन प्लेस वेयर देयर इज नो स्ट्रेस. अदरवाइज कहीं पे भी आप जाओ, लोग मेडिटेशन करते हैं एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स देयर माइंड इज वॉन्डरिंग. मेरे से एटलीस्ट आई कांट मेडिटेट, सो आई यूज अदर मेथड्स. आई यूज सिंगिंग, डांसिंग और वॉकिंग और एनीथिंग एल्स, बट मेडिटेशन इज समथिंग विच इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू कॉन्सेंट्रेट, बिकॉज कभी पेशेंट का ध्यान आ जाएगा, कभी घर का ध्यान आ जाएगा, कभी कोई ज़रूरी काम करना है, कोई डेडलाइन याद आ जाएगी. सो इट इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट. सो नाउ आई विल टेल यू, देयर इज वन ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल हु हैव नो स्ट्रेस. So nobody wants to go there. So you have to accept that stress will be there, but we have to learn how to cope up with it. So every stress is not bad stress. There is some amount of stress which is eustress or productive stress which improves your performance. Like you have to go for an exam, or Sam has to go for a audition of some very top movie, and she will be having stress, but the stress will help her in doing better than what she has done before. Like if we are walking on the road and some dog starts running after us, so that is a stress. So either we fight the dog or we run away. So normally in such a situation we run faster than what we normally do, and this is a mechanism God has made to help us cope with the stress. But sometimes what happens that people, they keep on having a situation that a dog is running after them throughout the day. Whatever they do, they keep on imagining that there is some dog running after me. The dog is what? It is stress. And they have this normal adrenaline rush, and because of that lot of bad things happen in your body. So I will tell you what happens, and then initially this keeps on increasing, and when it is prolonged for a long time, a time comes when your body starts getting fatigued and your mind also starts giving up. So then we start declining in the function, and ultimately what happens, there is impairment of the function, what we call it as a burnout. So once we burn out, then we are not able to perform that well, है ना. जैसे कभी कभी स्टेज पे हो जाता है कि अंडर सो मच स्ट्रेस, जो सेंटेंस आपने अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस किया था सडनली आप बीच में भूल जाते हो. सो दैट इज बिकॉज ऑफ स्ट्रेस. सो अब आपको मैं 3 चीज़ें दिखाऊंगा. सो सैम, विच वन वुड यू चूज?
It's health, 100%.
Health. So those who choose health, raise your hands. So many people, huh? And those who choose wealth, we have a few. And those who choose happiness, almost everybody wants to choose happiness. So one thing, can you infer from this that how you can get happy?
When we are
How?
when we are healthy.
So if you choose wealth, it goes in the opposite direction. So most wealthy people in the world, those who are very wealthy, they are not happy. Most of them, they die early. They have heart attacks, they have cancers. So you don't get happy by getting rich. So how do you get happy? By doing what you love to do and by making other people happy. And once you are happy, automatically health follows. So now what would you choose? Health. So be happy. Health will always be with you. This is the brain. So can you tell me, like, how many of you are right-handed? Most of you are right-handed. Sam, you are right or left?
Right.
Right-handed. So which the brain has two parts, hemispheres. So which half of the brain is active in a right-handed? Left. So it is taking care of most of your activities, like whatever skills you acquire, whatever analytic skills you acquire, whatever planning you do, whatever exams you pass, it is because of this. And what does the other opposite hemisphere do?
It controls creativity.
So it takes care of your passions, your creativity, whatever. Like somebody likes singing, somebody likes ram walk, so somebody likes dancing. So it is because of right. So you have to balance between the two. So most of the institutions, they focus only on studies and they don't focus on the other hemisphere. So today, now you understand the correlation that we are teaching also, and we are at the same time we are using the other hemisphere also to create a balance between the two. So
You are absolutely right, and some people they more focus on the creativity, they don't focus on the other aspect. But I think balancing is the foremost important thing, and for balancing, you have to write good in which points you are good. I mean, this is I think which is very important.
very good.